Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro. Today we are solving a problem that shows up a lot when you try to add an HP DeskJet to Windows, the dreaded no driver found error. Windows finds the printer on the network but stops because it cannot locate the right driver automatically. The fix is straightforward, but it requires going directly to HP's official support page. I want us go.
Hi, yes, I'm trying to add my HP DeskJet 4175E to my Windows laptop and it keeps saying no driver found. I've tried everything. Windows Update, the printer's own setup page, nothing. It just keeps failing at the driver step.
Hi James, no problem. This is actually a really common one. Windows sometimes can't find the right driver automatically for the DeskJet 4175E. The fix is to go directly to HP's official support page and download the full driver package yourself. It takes about 5 minutes. Are you at your computer right now? Okay, James. Is your laptop open?
Yes, laptop is open right in front of me.
Great. Now, click on the printer icon.
Okay, I see it.
So here is why this happens. When Windows tries to add the printer, it looks for a driver in its own built-in database. For newer HP models like the 4175E, the ATS database sent the Windows just stops and says no driver found. Whiz is a stat funny.
It's a driver conflict. You need the direct HP update.
Right, so it is not broken. It just needs the driver from HP directly.
Exactly. I'll send the link.
Exactly. You've got it. Now let's go get it. Open your browser and go to support.hp.com/USEN/drivers. Go there directly, type it in yourself. Do not click a random search result.
Support.hp.com/USON/drivers. Got it, the page is loading now.
Perfect. Now enter your printer model in the search bar.
Okay, typing it in.
In the search box, select Printer as the product type, then type 4175E. Select your model from the results, then make sure Windows is selected as your operating system.
Okay, I can see it. HP DeskJet 4175E, Windows 11. It is showing me some driver packages.
You want to download 2 packages. Look for installation software and full/basic driver that handles print and scan. And if you see installation software and driver, download that one too. Start with the first one, click download, and run the installer when it finishes.
Downloading now, it is about 400 megabytes, should not take long. Okay, it's starting, watching the progress bar.
Looks like it's moving along steadily.
Almost there, should be good. Okay, the installer is running. It is asking me if I want to connect wirelessly. Should I say yes?
Yes, select the wireless option. That way the printer connects over your Wi-Fi and any device on your network can use it. Follow the on-screen prompts. It will search for the printer automatically and finish the setup.
It found the printer. It is installing now. The bar is moving. Almost there. It's finishing up. Perfect. It's complete. Thank you. It says installation complete. And hang on, I can see the printer and devices and printers now. It says ready. All right, I'm sending the test page now. It's printing. Finally.
That is exactly what you want to see. Ready means the driver is installed and Windows is communicating with it properly. Try printing a test page to confirm everything is working end to end.
Sending the test page now. And it is printing. It is actually printing. Perfect pages. 2 hours I spent on this. 2 hours. And it was just the driver from the HP page.
That is the thing with driver errors. Windows makes it look like something is seriously wrong, but usually it is just that one missing file. Now you know where to go if it ever happens again. Straight to support.hp.com/drivers.
Support.hp.com. Got it. Never searching anywhere else again. Thank you.
Here is the complete fix. Step up in your browser and go directly to support.hp.com/USEN/drivers. Step 3. Download the package called installation software and full basic driver. If you also see a missed offer, select wire when prompted. Step 5. Once installation is complete, check devices and printers your printer should show as ready. Send a test page to confirm. That is it. Before you go, thank you for watching PrinterFix Pro. The no driver found error is one of the official problems through rare applications, but has a very simple site. Subscribe if you are not already. New HP fixes every week. No jargon, just the steps that work. Until next time, keep printing.